Today I'm unboxing and driving a brand new Traxxas UDR for the very first time. I just picked this truck up from the Hobbytown USA in Rockford, Illinois. It's where I purchased pretty much all of my RC vehicles. I'll put a store locator down in the description of this video so you can find your local Hobbytown USA. But if you do get a chance, make sure to stop by the Hobbytown in Rockford, Illinois. They truly are one of the best. In the box, you receive a 2-channel Traxxas Top Qualifier radio. You get a couple of sticker sheets, all of your manuals, a battery jumper, and some basic starter tools. You also get a couple of foam blocks to throw in your battery tray to prevent smaller batteries from flying around. Now, this truck's been out a while, so I'm not gonna get super in depth, but the UDR is a 7-scale desert truck with just some insane suspension. That's one of the main reasons I bought it, is for slow motion. The electronics are pretty standard. There is a 2075R Metal Gear steering servo steering the 2 front tires. The ESC is a VXL 6S, and that's hooked up to a 2200 kV brushless motor. This updated version comes with 4 LED light bars. You have 2 in the front grille, 1 on the top of the windshield, and 1 in the back that actually has functioning brake lights, which I just get way too excited about. I run XT90 connectors on all of my trucks and batteries, so I had to switch this truck over to XT90 plugs. In order to fit the plugs in the stock location, I had to get a 3D printed adapter. The plugs fit great once I shaved off a little bit of plastic where the openings are underneath. I'm also excited to announce that LVCRC is now officially powered by GenZace battery. So I'm going to be running 2 3S 5000 milliamp 60C GenZace packs in this truck. I installed one of the included foam slabs in the battery tray, and these batteries actually fit really well. They fill up pretty much all the space available in the battery tray, and there's very little room for them to move around. So if you're interested in these batteries, check them out in the description, and also be sure to check out the GenZace website if you're interested in any other batteries. Now let's get this truck outside and see what it's all about.